Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Mr. Ghana Baby once again, and I'm back again with another interesting and amazing episode. Most of you are saying WODEMAYA is so broke, that's why he normally uses slow train here in China, but I just want to tell you that I just love the experience. That's why I keep on taking slow train, I keep on taking fast train, I keep on flying all the time. But today I want to show you how it's like to be in China's fast-speed train. WODEMAYA. I know you're definitely going to enjoy this amazing episode, but I'm going to show you from my house. You know, this place is Shenyang, man. I came here to establish my own business, but I'm going to tell you how WODEMAYA successfully established his own business here in China. Not in this episode, but that is the reason why I came here, because this place is like my second home. WODEMAYA. Welcome to Shenyang. I had my 4 years degree here in this city. So when I decided to establish company, I decided to establish here in Shenyang, China. But I'm on my way to where? Taiwan, to meet an amazing person. But I don't want to tell you now. I'm going to tell you later. Follow me and enjoy this amazing episode. You know, I quite remember, like, I took a picture over here 4 years ago, and one of my subscribers was asking me, does Shenyang even have a subway? WODEMAYA. Shenyang also have a subway. We have 2 lines and we have 48 stations here in Shenyang. This is the 7th operational subway system here in China. The first one was in Beijing. That was 1969. That was when China first built its subway, 1969. WODEMAYA till now. And this place is really advancing. The first time that I came here, it was just Hankou and Dashi, but now you can go as far as Putianlu. I love the way China is developing rapidly, and I hope like my people can learn from this. WODEMAYA. Nobody wanted to sit beside WODEMAYA, but that is none of my business. At least I have 2 seats. One place to pull my leg and one place to pull my back. WODEMAYA. Right now, I'm on my way going to the train station, all right? So I'm exiting the subway at this moment. Welcome to Shenyang, Beijing. Right now, I'm just gonna go get my ticket. So I hope you enjoy this amazing and interesting episode from WODEMAYA. Oh, this is cash out. Okay, so this is exactly the same thing like what I saw in Kenya, but here in China, as a foreigner, you cannot use it because you don't have the Chinese ID card. But in Kenya, it's the same machine, but being a foreigner or being a native Kenyan, you can still use it. WODEMAYA. I think that's another form of racism here in China, though. So you see, a lot of Chinese people using it, but I cannot use it because I have a passport. And this one is more convenient, but now I have to go and join the queue, a very long queue. I can even miss my train because of this. WODEMAYA. So make sure you come early whenever you want to get your tickets, because you can never use the machine. So this is how the ticket looks like. This is in Chinese. This is where I am, Shenyang, Beijing, and I'm going to Taiwan. Okay, so this is my train number, and this is the amount, 433 yuan, which is also $62. So, and this is the time that the train is going to take off. That is what, 15:34. That is 3:34. Then you know this is my seat number. So when I get into the train, I'll just look for this number, coach 7, seat number 8. this is how the waiting area of SHANGHAI station looks like.
We live life the hard way, but not today. Just stay.
Finally found it, put 7. Alright, and I enter. Oh my god. And I look at my seat, man. Oh, it's beautiful. No, this is the wrong way. Okay, so that's my seat, you know. So finally I'm in the train. This is what we call the bullet train here in China. It's also known as the high-speed train. Why bullet train? Because the shape, right, it looks like a bullet, just like this. That's why it's called a bullet train. But this journey is gonna take like 7.5 hours from SHANGHAI to Taiwan. Damn, like 1,000 kilometers. So this fast-speed train travels like 250 kilometers. That is the minimum per hour, and the maximum is 350 kilometers. Like I think 350 to 380, something like that. But this is not the fastest train in China. The fastest train in China is in Shanghai. That's the Shanghai. I forgot the exact name. So I'm just gonna vlog how it's gonna be. I'm gonna take you to the restaurant, how it looks like here in China. So you know what? You guys should stop saying that WODEMAYA does not take fast-speed train. The journey just began. You see, the train is moving, and this is a slow-speed train over there. Heymig. This is my seat, and remember that this seat is adjustable. You can just press here, just adjust the seat, and then yeah, relax. So this is one advantage of being on a fast-speed train. With a slow-speed train, you cannot adjust your seat. So this is how it is, man. There's nothing interesting on being on a fast-speed train because everybody is doing his own thing. It's either you watch movies or maybe you play with your phone. No, like the slow-speed train, because I love that experience, man. You got people to talk to. But on this train, you just sit on your seat. That's it. For you, and after that you just put it here. Get it? So everything, after you finish everything, you can just open the tab here, then oh sorry, see, then wash your hands just like this. guys. I'm really sorry. It's 10:22 p.m. and it's almost like 30 minutes to arrive at my destination. I've been sleeping on the entire journey because your boy Mr. Maya is really tired. And I'm sorry if I didn't make this episode interesting by interacting with people, but I hope you enjoy it and also learn something new from this episode, because I really I really don't know what to show you in the fast speed train. It's just a normal thing here to do, everybody minding his own business, So I'll arrive in Taiwan very soon, and yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.